About exponents, okay, on your test. Okay, so these first couple are the negative exponent rule. What do you do with negatives? You put them on the bottom. Okay, so the negative exponents, okay, if it's like k to the negative 1, it should be k to the 1, and you put a 1 on top. Okay, what about a zero exponent? What do you do with anything to the 0 is what? 1. Good. So if it's k to the 0, it's really 1. Okay, what about multiplication? Okay, so multiplication is something like okay, well, what do you do with the big ones? You're going to multiply them, so you're going to get 12. What do you do with the little? Yeah, you're going to add them. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, what about the power rule? Our fourth one is a power rule. If we have something like 2 to the 4 to the negative 1, what do you do with the exponents? You multiply them. So 4 times negative 1, actually, I'm going to change this to a positive 1. Okay, is going to be 2 to the 4th. And then lastly, we have a division rule. Okay, and that might be something like 5 to the 4 over 5 to the 2. What do you do with that? You got to subtract them, the top minus the bottom. So 4 minus 2 is going to be 2. Okay. Those are all of our exponent rules. The majority of our test is going to be about exponents. Okay, there's a few extra stuff on there that we've recently done, but so if we look at number 1, we got 3 to the 4th. What do we do with that? Is there any negatives? Is there any zeros? No. So our answer is just going to be 3 to the 4th. K to the negative 1. Okay, where's the 4 go? Top, k to the 1. Bottom, and you make it a positive. Okay, this one we also have some negatives, so we're going to draw our line. Where's the 3 go? Top, y to the 0. Top, or it what? It cancels or becomes a 1, so we're going to cross it off. Z to the negative 4. Wow. Okay, 7, what rule is that? Multiplication. So we're going to multiply the bigs, okay, and I'm going to write these out, but you're going to say 4 times 4, k to the 4 plus 2, okay, and we add the littles. Well, 4 times 4, 16, k to the 6. Okay, 9 is still going to be multiplication, so we're going to say 2 times 4. M to the, how many m's do I have? I just have 1, so it's just going to be m to the 2. P to the, yeah, 3 plus negative 3. Q to the 0 plus 0. Okay, 2 times 4 is going to be 8 m2 p to the, what is 3 plus negative 3? 0. Q to the 0. What do we do with these things to the 0? Yeah, they're going to cancel out. So you're really just getting 8m squared. Okay, 11. You're going to multiply the bigs. So negative 2 times 3. And we're going to start adding up the little. So I got u to the 0 plus what? Huh? 1. Okay, there's really a 1 right here. 0 plus 1. V to the 3 plus negative 2. 2 times, or negative 2 times 3. Negative 6. U to the 1. V to the 1. What needs moved? Nothing. Okay? It's a trick question. Okay, nothing needs moved. The only time we move it is if what has a negative? The exponent is negative. Okay, otherwise we don't move anything. Okay, 13, what rule is that? It's the power rule. What do we do with the exponents? We're going to multiply them. So you got 4 to the 2 times negative 2. Okay, you're going to multiply those two. Yep, 4 to the negative 4. Okay, and so it's going to be 4 to the 4 on the bottom and a 1 on top. Do we simplify this? Okay, the answer is no. Some of you guys are still typing in your calculator 4 to the 4 and putting that for an answer. We do not do that. If there's no letters here, we leave it like this. Okay. 15, put a 1 right next to this 2. Okay, so you're going to get 2 to the 1 times negative 3, r to the 4 times negative 3. Okay, so you're going to get 2 to the negative 3, r to the negative 12. Where's the 2 to the negative 3 go? Bottom. R to the negative 12. Bottom. What goes on top? 1. Are we finished? We need to simplify it. What is 2 to the 3rd power? 8. Okay, 17 is pretty long, okay? Well, for some of you guys it is, okay? Today, for me, it's going to be because I'm going to show every step. So, we're going to put a 1 there. Okay, but some of you guys would just be able to say 1 times negative 2, and you know it's negative 2, okay? You don't have to, like, distribute it out. But, so we got 3 to the 1 times negative 2. X to the 0 times negative 2. Y to the 3 times negative 2. And z to the negative 1 times negative 2. Okay, so we're taking that negative 2 to each piece. Okay, well, what is 1 times negative 2? Negative 2. X to the 0 times negative 2. 0. Y to the 3 times negative 2. Negative 6. Z to the negative 1 times negative 2. 2. Okay, what needs moved? 3 to the negative 2. Where's it go? Bottom. X to the 0. Cancels. Y to the negative 6. Z to the 2. Okay, are we finished? No, we need to simplify. Okay, so it's really going to be Z to the 2 over 9y6. Okay, and I'm sorry I didn't leave you very much room. Okay, 19, still, we're doing the power rule. Put a 1 right there. Okay, so you're going to get negative 2 to the 1 times 4. B to the negative 2 times 4. We're taking that negative 4 each piece. So you're going to get negative 2 to the 4th, B to the negative 8th. Okay, where's the negative 2 to the 4th go? Top. B to the negative 8. Bottom. And what is negative 2 to the 4th power? Somebody type it in. Hmm? 16.